All right, let's call the next witness now.
We are just grabbing the next witness. James Hughes, number 13, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Hughes. If you could take the witness stand, please.
You can leave your coat down on the chair if you'd like.
All right.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now, I got a feeling you've got a big voice, so push that microphone away. It makes me nuts.
You got it.
I'll ask if you can state and spell your name, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Police Officer James Hughes, Shield number 31965.
Good morning, Officer Hughes. You are retired now?
I'll be on June 29th.
How long have you been with the New York Police Department?
20 years.
Can you briefly just describe some of your assignments that you had with the police department?
Various things. I was a patrol officer, community affairs. Wow. I worked in SOD for a while, which is a special operations division. I did youth officer, I did crime. You name it, I'd done it.
What do you plan to do when it comes June 30th?
Become a human.
Have a trip planned around the world?
Well, actually, I'm going to open up a bar somewhere and just relax and play golf. And that's it. I'm done.
Okay.
Officer Hughes, back when you were a patrol officer, where were you assigned?
I was assigned in Brooklyn, 79th Precinct.
Does that cover Lafayette Gardens?
Yes, it does.
Are you familiar with Lafayette Gardens?
Oh, yes, I am.
What years were you assigned to the 79th Precinct?
Wow, you are making me old now. It's going back from 1995 after 9/11, about 2002, 2003, around that time.
And then did you go back to...
And then I went to Special Operations Division, and then I went back to the 79th Precinct, and then I went to the 3-2 Precinct.
Now, when you first started out at the 79th Precinct, you said that was 1995 until 9/11, so 2001?
Yes, until after that.
Could you describe to the jury what the drug activity level was?
Wow, that was during the crack era. It was really bad during that time. I actually worked midnights there, and it was something to really see. It was like, I tell people I described working midnights as, have you ever seen the movie Night of the Living Dead?
We don't have to go through all of that. There was a lot of crack.
It was a lot.
Is it hopefully better today?
Oh, it's got a lot better. Bedford-Stuyvesant is a lot better. They have cafes now. They have, it's different now. I went down there and it was amazing what I seen.
So it's clear we're making a little progress.
Yes. Oh, okay. You think so? Okay.
During your career, Officer Hughes, did you go then back to the 79th Precinct after 2001?
Yes, I did.
And to your Honor's point, had it changed?
It changed dramatically.
Now, could you estimate about how many arrests you made as part of your career?
Oh, over 200.
Now, I'm going to direct your attention to July 28th, 1995. Were you working at the 79th Precinct at that time?
Yes, I was.
On that particular day, what shift were you working? Do you remember?
I was on the midnight shift.
Did you have a partner?
Yes, I did.
Who was your partner?
Police Officer Calvin Williams.
And were you a patrol officer at that time?
Yes, I was.
What does that mean? Was that the midnight shift?
It was the midnight shift. The midnight shift starts at like 11:15 and goes until like 7:50 in the morning.
Well, you just started your career. It was about 20 years ago, so you were just starting then?
Yes, I was just starting at the time.
And when you do that shift, are you in a patrol car?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you in uniform back then?
Yes.
And as part of that shift around a midnight of July 29th, can you tell the jury what happened?
During the midnight time, it was actually just broke roll call. It's called roll call, where you grab your car and you leave. And we got a noise complaint of shots. some shots that were being fired on Clifton and Bedford. And we were actually driving down Bedford. And my partner actually was the driver, made the left on Clifton.
I'm going to show you what we entered into evidence already. This is Government Exhibit 102. Does it show up on your screen there?
Yes.
Just to orient the jury here, is this part of the area that you covered as a patrol officer in the 79th Precinct?
Yes.
And on July 29th, you said you were coming down Bedford when you received a noise complaint. Is that right?
Yes.
Can you show us where on the map that would be?
Bedford Avenue is right here. Can you see that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
And what did you do then?
We were coming down Bedford Avenue and we made a left on Clifton Place.
What did you do see what you made the left?
I seen two gentlemen. One gentleman holding a gun to another gentleman on Clifton Place on the block, going right where we made the left. Right between on Clifton Place. Right? Like, maybe a couple doors down, a couple doors in.
And had you made the turn on Clifton?
Yes, we made the turn.
Were you driving that day?
No, I wasn't driving.
Was your partner driving?
My partner, he was driving.
At the time you first saw it, you saw two individuals, is that right?
Yes.
Did they both have guns?
No, I seen one with the gun.
How far away were you at that point when you saw the two?
Well, the car here and then on the street about 10, 15 feet.
So if we use the jury box, about how far away was that you initially saw that?
If you come a little bit closer, a little bit closer, a little bit closer.
I should haven't done this?
Right there.
Okay, great. About 10 feet?
Yes.
And at that time, were you...
I think it's more than 10 feet.
It's more than 10.
My math is off.
Just a second. The jury has observed it. They can make their own assessments, but it seemed to me it's more than 10 feet. Go ahead.
Sure. Were the two individuals in the street or the sidewalk?
They were in the sidewalk.
What happened next after you saw them?
After I saw them, they must have saw us. One ran one way, the other one jumped on his bike and ran back towards us on the sidewalk.
So when you say towards us, if we use the map, talk about the individual on the bike. Which way did the person...
We went back towards Clifton Place towards Bedford.
What did you do?
My partner actually was driving at the time. He reversed the car and he went to block him off at the corner of Clifton and Bedford.
Can you mark that for us?
Right here.
And what happened next?
The person actually, after that, he reversed his bike and went back up Clifton Place.
What did you and your partner do?
I told my partner to stop the car. I'm getting out and running. So he stopped the car. I jumped out the car and started chasing him from Clifton, up Clifton Place.
And what happened next?
When I started chasing him, he must have thought I was getting close. He turns around and starts shooting at me.
And do you remember how many gunshots?
I remember one big muzzle flash went right at me.
What did you do?
I shot back.
What happened next?
Then when that person must have got stalled and ran up Clifton Place and made a right on Franklin.
And where was that?
That's towards Lafayette Gardens.
Did you see where in Lafayette Gardens the person ran?
Yes. He ran into a building. It was 433, I think, if I'm not mistaken. If I remember, it was 433. It's connected to another building there. There is two buildings. If you go on both sides of that building.
Now, Officer Hughes, I want to go back to the map here. I'm going to show you something which might be a little more helpful. Your Honor, this is not on your exhibit list, but counsel agreed to it. Government Exhibit 119.
What is it?
It's the map.
119? All right. So let me just make a note of that. So what is 119? It's another diagram?
Yes, of the particular streets.
There is no objection to that?
No objection, Judge.
No?
All right. in evidence.
Officer Hughes, before I show you this, after this incident, did you observe a lineup the next day?
Yes, I did.
Did you identify that person who shot at you, Will?
Yes, I did.
Do you remember that person's name?
Yes, Damion Hardy.
Do you recognize Damion Hardy in courtroom today?
Yes, I do.
Can you identify him by an article of clothing?
Blue shirt.
Identifying him, Your Honor.
All right, the record will so reflect.
Officer, do you recognize this diagram here?
Yes.
And does that depict the streets of Clifton Place and Bedford Avenue where the incident occurred back in July of 1998?
Yes.
If you could just show us where you were initially coming down.
We were coming down Bedford Avenue here, and then we made the left on Clifton. That's where we see the individual here. He ran back up this way. We reversed the car back this way. We cut him off. He flipped the bike around, which was pretty good, and he went back up this way. And then I jumped out the car and went here, and the shooting happened around here.
Okay, great. Now, when the shooting happened, was the defendant Damion Hardy still on the bike or off the bike?
He jumped off the bike at the time.
And at some point you said he came down Clifton and then reserved. Is that right?
Right. Huh.
And after he fired, we talked about the distance when you initially saw him?
Right.
When he fired, can you tell us what the distance was?
10, 15 feet?
About the same amount?
Yeah.
And did you get injured as a result of that shooting?
No, I wouldn't be here if I was.
And you said you fired as well?
Yes, I did.
How much times did you fire?
Once.
And did it hit anybody?
No, it didn't.
Okay, now once he gets off the bike and fires, where did he run towards?
I ran. I chased him back towards the Clifton Place. He made a right on Franklin and Clifton, and he ran towards Lafayette Gardens.
I think we see Franklin on the diagram, is that right?
Yes, he ran straight up here and across.
And just to be clear, on 102, can you tell us where Lafayette Gardens is on this?
Lafayette Avenue is the next block up. Lafayette Gardens, it's somewhere around here.
How many blocks away is Lafayette Gardens from where the incident occurred?
1.
I'm sorry?
1 block.
Okay, now we talked about the lineup. As part of the investigation, Officer Hughes, did you learn of a gun being recovered?
Yes.
What type of gun?
.357.
Did you also learn about a bike being recovered?
Yes.
Did you go to the hospital for any injury that you had?
Yeah, ringing in the ear.
And did you have any disciplinary action for firing that day?
Never.
I have nothing further. Thank you.
Mr. Runke?
Yep. Good morning, officer.
Good morning.
We've been talking about this event, and I think you were sort of misled into thinking it was 1995. It was actually 1998. Is that right?
If you are telling me, okay.
If I could just show the officer a document marked Defense Exhibit 9. Do you recognize that as the report that you filled out?
Okay.
Do you recognize that?
All right.
Just 1 second.
Do you see your signature at the bottom?
Yes.
Mr. Runke, just 1 second. You referred to this as Plaintiff's Exhibit number 9?
DH9, Your Honor. DH9. Defendant's Exhibit now.
Defendant's Exhibit? It's not in evidence, right?
No. I'm just showing it to the witness to refresh his recollection.
Just 1 second.
We'd stipulate, Your Honor. I misspoke on the year.
I'm sorry, what did you speak about?
The year of the incident, I think I misspoke.
All right, so you want to establish the date and the year?
I just want the record to be correct as to when it happened. That's all.
So we agree it's 1998? You can tell us if...
Yeah, it was 1998. And after the incident, are you aware of the fact that Mr. Hardy actually entered a guilty plea doing that? and was sentenced to 2 to 4 years in state prison.
I found out later.
Thank you, officer. Enjoy your retirement.
Okay.
Mr. Beecher, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from the government? I suspect there is no redirect,
No.
so you may step down. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.